নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, আজ শুভ নববর্ষের বৈশাখী অভিনন্দন দিয়ে শুরু করলাম প্রোগ্রামটা। সুস্থ থাকুন, সেফ থাকুন, টেক কেয়ার এভরিবডি। ডেজ আর হার্ড, কিন্তু আমি বলছি না, উই হ্যাভ টু ওভারকাম, উই উইল ওভারকাম। শুরু করি আজকের প্রোগ্রাম। আজকে আমি খুব স্পেশাল শাড়ি এনেছি, বেগমপুরি শাড়ি। আজ বৈশাখী অভিনন্দন দিয়েই মনে হচ্ছে আমার বেগমপুরি দেখাই। বড় শখের শাড়ি আমাদের বেগমপুরি। এবার শুরু করি প্রোগ্রাম। হ্যাঁ, প্রথম শাড়ি দিয়ে শুরু করছি আমি, বেগমপুরি শাড়ি। এ তো মাটির গন্ধ, শিল্পীর অনেক পরিশ্রম। কি সুন্দর শাড়ি, বড় প্রিয় শাড়ি আমাদের বেগমপুরি। This is from Hooghly district of Bengal. Look at the color. This has been called মাঠা পাড়। এগুলো মাঠা পাড়ের, খুব পুরনো দিনের কথা মনে পড়ে যায় আমার এসব শাড়ি দেখালি। দেখুন, 1 নম্বর শাড়ি। এই গ্রেসই আলাদা। আমি একটু খুলে দেখাই, আমি লোভ সামলাতে পারি না। Look at the শাড়ি, what a wonderful weave. এগুলো কিন্তু প্রত্যেকটা weaving. These are all weaving, done up. All handmade sarees. Look at the Achal section. They're all handmade saree and only for 1900. May not be worth their effort. প্রচুর পরিশ্রম, তার বিনিময়ে এইটুকু যদি আমরা সাহায্য পাই সবার থেকে, they'll be able to cope up. The second saree number 2, lovely pieces. দেখুন, এগুলো সব বোনাই কাজ। Look at this weave. Bottle green and different colors. And this is again a matha pad. This is matha pad. They look very smart when worn. And friends, you wash and wear. This is such a durable, lasting sarees. And very comfortable, very soothing. I'm very fond of greys. You must be knowing by this time. দেখুন, oh, what a smart combination. Number 3. Look at the weaves. And they're very typical. অনেক ম্যান ডেজ লাগে এগুলো কমপ্লিট করতে। This is also for 1900, dear. Lovely sarees, and I'm telling you, they are without blouse pieces. You mix match the blouse piece and wear it. This is so beautiful. Look at the fall. Even you get to have a very good fall on this saree. Number 4. একেবারে ডিমান্ডের শাড়ি, and with this attractive Ganga Jamuna border. আমার কাছে একটি পিস আছে, one of a kind. Look at the Achal part. So hurry up and book fast. It are 2000 only, 2000 only for this saree. Show me the rest of the saree. It goes like this with Ganga Jamuna border. ঈদে পরুন, নতুন শাড়ি ঈদে পরুন। Happy Ramadan. 3400 please for this beautiful piece. This is all woven fish design, which is very typical, patented fish design. Such a beautiful saree. Best for summer use. So beautiful, and it has a special privilege. We are giving a blouse piece with this. Look at the blouse piece, attached blouse piece. So you can make a beautiful blouse with this. This goes for 3,400. 3,400, dear. Number 6. There is a Begumpur special episode. Number 6. What a lovely grey they have come out with. This is steel grey, not this is a little, I think, bluish grey. 2,800 for this piece. Look at the blouse section. Oh, sorry, this is the achal part. This is the achal part. We don't give a blouse piece with this. This is 2,800. And all throughout, this has a weave. This has a broad border down below. Texture is very comfortable. For daily wear, you can use these sarees and they are very comfortable ones. This is the ash grey one, number 7. 7 number shari dekhun. They're all weaves all throughout. They're all woven ones, hand weaves. They're not machine ones, not in power loom. They're hand loom stuff. And we will show you the hand loom mark also. This is the handloom mark in each and every sari. Handloom mark for each and every sari. This is a Ganga Jamuna border. There's a small little temples done up. Very smart. Oh, I love these sarees. This is for 20, how much? 2,000 only. This is only for 2,000. It will stand several times wash. You will be happy to use these sarees. যত ইচ্ছে ধুয়ে পড়ুন, কেচে পড়ুন শাড়ি। 2,500 টাকা দাম। হ্যান্ড woven sarees. এই পাটটা দেখুন, rich maroon color border. Rich maroon color border. All woven, beautiful pattern. And the achal part. Darun. 2,500, dear. This is a dual tone one. Dual tone sari. Short color. Look at this drape. Look at this achal. What a beautiful achal. So beautifully woven. And believe me, this sari costs only 1,750. Only for 1,750. This is going only for 1,750. 1,750. What a beautiful sari. All the colors are so rustic. It will bring village mood. Look at this color. This is maroon and blended with black. Number 10. Number 10. Oh, lovely. They look very smart when worn. I wish I could show you. Look at the palla part. So typically worn. All the designs are little different from each other. Number 10. This is for 2100 with the Matha Par border. This goes inside the waist portion and you feel very comfortable. This is not a hard, this is very soft, very soft. Another beauty, another of my beauties. Darun darun shundar shundar jinish. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this weave. What a beautifully done up. আমি দেখেছি এদের কাজ করছে যখন তাঁতিদের, oh what a tedious job, but they're so skilled. They keep on changing their threads and do it so nicely. This is for 2800 dear with a blouse. Here we are giving a blouse also. Dekhun, look at this. Oh, this is a wonderful combination. See for yourself. Lovely combination. Smart. Best for summers. And this is a blouse section. Contrast blouse. This blouse is also woven. Begumpur blouse. These are all Begumpur sarees I am showing. Pride of Bengal. 2800 taka dam. 2800 only. 2800 for this saree. ও মা দিদিমাদের শাড়ি, এগুলো তো আমার দিদার কথা মনে পড়ে। Oh, they were wearing this type of chawda border, so beautiful. ওরা থাকলে কত সুন্দর দেখাতো, পরতে পারতো, কত সুন্দর জিনিস। 1500 টাকা দাম শুধু। And the weave, এগুলো ভীষণ সফট, ভীষণ আরামের শাড়ি, as they are all hand woven. They are not the coarse ones. ভারী নয় শাড়িগুলো, খুব আরামের শাড়ি। You wash and wear, use these and help them out. All are skilled people, workers. 1500 টাকা দাম. All our artisans are to be, they are all encouraged by you all. এটা দেখুন, একটা এক্সপোজার পাচ্ছে তারাও, তাদের শাড়ি আমরা দেখাচ্ছি। 3400 for this piece, number 13. Oof, what a dimension, কত সুন্দর শাড়িটা। Look at the আঁচল, and all over the saree has a border, neatly done up border, fish design border, and all woven. This is the front of the saree, so this is heavily done up. This portion is little denser. This is denser, but this is little lighter woven. This saree is a wonderful piece for 3400 dear. This is going for 3400 with a blouse attached to it. So you're getting a blouse piece. 3400 dear. 3400 for this piece. Take it like this. 3400. Hey, again a very good color coming up. Number 14. 14 number shari. I'm showing all my Begumpurs today, the best of Begumpurs. Number 14. Such good count. Look at this. Hurry up and book fast. And look at the blouse section. Such good contrast. Hey, let me show the sari once again. Look at the sari with the blouse section. This has a fish design again. hand woven. This is for 3,400, dear. Number 15. All Begumpurs. I have got a lovely stock here also at my stores. Come down, see for yourself. Number 15. Otherwise it will run out. Come fast. 3,400. 3,400 peacock border. Peacock bordered sari. It's difficult. Hand woven saris. They are all hand woven. And the price 3,400 for this piece. 3,400 only for this piece. Privileges, we get a blouse piece. 3,400 for a woven blouse piece attached to the sari. The color is reddish orange. 3,400. Friends, please do subscribe my channel. It means lot to me. It will help lot of people, lot of my friends. You please do share my channel. Hey, this is number 16. I am giving you lot of choices this time. Number 16, and this is the last piece. I have shown you 16 saris. Begumpur saris. I am yet to show you a few more, but Begumpur saris are all over. Now for the next time, look at the Begumpur ones. This is a lovely achal. Palla is so beautiful. Look at the palla. Densely done up, all woven. And this smart angular design is so beautiful. This is also with matha par. This sari costs 2,800, dear. 2,800, and with has a blouse piece. A blouse piece with this sari. Let it happen. 2,800, dear. Yeah. Now I'll get to show you my linens. I have a few linens left with me. I will give you a very nominal price for these. If you like, you take it. 3,900 for this beautiful linen. Properly draped. এটা দেখুন কি সুন্দর. Very light, best of linens. This has a green border, and the daman nadi ke niche is the orange border. Ganga Jamuna border. Lovely piece, good fall, lovely thing. Look at the achal section. This is also woven, hand woven saris. The combination, it has a green and red and green, looks very smart. This sari costs 3,900, but I am giving you 500 rupees off on this sari. Grab. This is such a beautiful piece. I am giving 500 off on this sari. Same for the other one. And this linen. Oof, beautiful linen. There are few left with me. I want to part with these, and I want to get new stock so that I could encourage my weavers to take more and more saris from them. 3,900. 3,900. Look at this color with green and red border, temple border. This is also going for 3,400 only. I am giving 500 rupees off on this sari. Look at the achal section. It's a very smart sari. 3,400 for this. That means you are getting 500 straight off. 500 rupees straight off on this sari. Oh, it's such a beautiful drape. Drape is also very comfortable. There was nothing wrong in the sari. I wanted to part with the sari as because I've told you the reason. 3,400. This is again a beautiful linen with buttas all throughout. Lovely thing, lovely color. This also goes for 500 rupees off. ₹500 off. I'm left with a few of the linens which I am giving you for 3,400, 3,450 it comes to. Oh, this is what we call Moshur Dal color. Moshur Dal Ronger. This is for 2,900. I am giving you 500 rupees off on this also. 500 rupees off. Look at the drape. Drape is also very comfortable. It's not that it is stiff and all. This is very beautiful. Look at this. So nice. 500 rupees off. And the silk linen. And the silk linen. The woven ones. With this achal. This is number 21. Wonderful color. You can mix match with the contrast blouse. This has a blouse. This has a blouse also. This is a running blouse, but you can mix match to make it look bright, to highlight the sari. This is 5,400, 5,400. I am giving this sari for 400 rupees off, 5,000. This sari cost, this is a silk linen, this costs 5,000 only. Wonderful color. Oh, this is ek se badke ek. This is arekta সুন্দর রং. Such a nice color. But এগুলো আমাকে আমি আস্তে আস্তে এগুলোকে. This is a wonderful piece again. এগুলো নিন পরুন, এগুলো ভালো, আমরা ওতে দিচ্ছি, ডিসকাউন্টে দিচ্ছি। 5,400. I am giving this for 5,000 only. 5,000. And এই কোয়ালিটি এখন হয় না, এত সুন্দর কোয়ালিটি এগুলোর। 5,000 টাকা। This is going for, why don't you tight করো? 5,000 only. Why this linen is left? Okay, this is the Dhakai linen. Oh, this is the only one piece left with us. Only one of Dhakai linen is left with me. I have sold all, and this is the one of the very nice ones with a big motif done up, all handloom ones. Such a beautiful piece. Giving 800 rupees off, dear. This is the only piece left with me. Not even my cost price, but I want to part away with this. This is 800 rupees off on this sari. not even my cost price, but I wanted to give away. This is going for 5,000, a wonderful dakai with the pom-poms. It's a complete sari with the blouse piece of this color. Thanda effect. And look at this weave. Look at this weave total. This goes for 5,000 only. One more linen. This is Kashish from Rajasthan. A good quality linen. Again, this sari is only one piece left with me. I will give you for 5,000 for this sari. I'll give you 5,000. 5,000 টাকা এই শাড়িটা দিয়ে দেবো. This is a wonderful piece. প্রচুর বিক্রি করেছি আমরা এই শাড়ি. একটাই বাকি রয়েছে, একটাই পিস বাকি রয়েছে. Look at this, how beautiful it is. সুন্দর সুন্দর শাড়ি রে, দিতেও ওই লাগে. This is going for 5,000 only. Throwaway prices. Oh, this is the Pichwai linen. No, I can't reduce the price. I will not, I shall not. This is for 5,400 dear. Wonderful Pichwai piece. There is one more linen, batik work. Such a beautiful piece. Even I have one piece of this kind. Such a beautiful, this looks elegant. 5,400. This is for 5,400. 5,400 for this Pichwai work. 5,400 for this, and we have a blouse piece. Is a complete sari. Look at this. That's all for today. Friends, I have shown you a lot of Begumpurs. I'm very fond of Begumpurs. I have shown you a lot of linens I have shown you, which I wanted to part away. It is not that I wanted to give, because I wanted to get some more and encourage my viewers. So please help me out, friends. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, friends.